All right, so I'd like to make a tool tube for the KTM 690. If you're not aware, a tool tube is basically literally a tube. It's just a PVC pipe here that you can stick your tool roll in or whatever, just neatly organize stuff. And I'm gonna mount mine back here on the inside of the pannier rack here. And these are the basic components. We've got PVC pipe. This is like a 2-inch or 2-foot piece of 3-inch PVC pipe, so it's 3 inches on the inside diameter. And we've got some test caps here, and these go on either end, create a enclosed cavity in which you can store your tools. Other people put like little glue, actual PVC end caps and things on here. I just couldn't find a good one at the store. It was the ones they had were just extremely bulky, and I didn't want to go that route. I liked this because it was nice and slimlined. So I'm going to use one of these on either end. A lot of times you use just this one of these on the end as your door. You can spend more money and basically buy a version of this that has like a little lock on it. And then we've got just some hose clamps I'm going to use to strap it to the bike. Now this is longer. 2 feet is longer than I need it to be. All right, I'm just going to try and maximize the length of the tube on the bike. So in terms of how it can fit on the pannier rack, looks like we've got about 16 inches there that will fit on there neatly. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the tube there. A lot of people just like have a tool roll, like a cloth roll, whatever, they slide in here. You roll everything up in it, slide in here. I saw one guy, one video where he just mentioned and showed it briefly. He had a drawer that slid in here, and you could pull the drawer out, and it was just, you could just chuck everything in the drawer and slide it right in here. I like that idea. That seems a lot more convenient to use. I'm not really sure how he made that drawer though. So I'm gonna try and make it out of some aluminum. I'm gonna cut out a piece here, and I'm gonna roll it so it's in a tube-like form that I could slide in here, and then we'll weld on the back side of it like a little plate or whatever. That's kind of my idea. Well, let's see if we can do it. All right, so I've got some 3000 series aluminum here, which is a milder, softer aluminum. I think this is like 16 gauge or something like that. All right, I've got my roller out here. I'm gonna see if I can roll this thing. All right, let's see. So there it is. There's a little rolled piece of aluminum. Alright, so it is not rolled enough to get in this tube though. Alright, I managed to like bend it a little bit by hand, not like this, and it's just enough so that it will go in this tube basically the way I want it to. It does have some friction in there, so it doesn't like just loosely slide around, which is probably a good thing, but that can go in like so, and I can still get it out without too much trouble. I was going to put like a little lip on the end here, a little plate or whatever, so that I can reach in here and sort of grab that plate as a handle. Pull this thing out that way. And then on the back I was gonna block it off completely back there. So then we have a little bit of a drawer that goes in here, which is, I think will be pretty cool. All right, so I've got a couple pieces cut out now so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So something like that on the end where that'll be my little handle. And on the other end, this isn't finished up yet, but I got a piece cut out that fits around that tube there, and then I'll trim off this end here once I've got it welded on. All right, so here is our drawer that we have made. You can see the one end is pretty much all blocked off, and the other end is a little bit more open, so I can get my fingers in there and pull this thing out. But I just welded it on, and then ground down that weld and whatnot so it wouldn't protrude into our tube. And then in theory this will slide in here. Oh, look at that, pretty nicely. Now it's locked in there. I feel like I've created some sort of time capsule or something to be shot into space. But yeah, now I want to make sure that this idea of using these hose clamps to attach it to the bike will actually work, and then if it does, then we'll go ahead and paint this. All right, that certainly seems like it will be a good way to secure this thing. Like that should be strong, plenty strong. All right, let's see what we can load up in this thing.
So we got tire irons, our fuses here, screwdriver, Allen wrenches, big old wrench here, little wrenches, JB weld, zip ties, an electrical tester. I like to have this pick too in there.
Everything barely fits in there. Look at that. All right, so we've gone ahead and painted everything. I painted the end caps here, and I need to reassemble these guys now. And our tube, go ahead, I painted the tube as well. This guy's all painted up. All right, so there's one end of the tube, all done. I'll go ahead and install the tube on the bike, and then we can load everything up and be done with this. There it is. I'm pretty stoked on this. I think this turned out great. I'm very happy with it. I was able to make that little drawer in there. Like that takes it to another level. The added functionality of that drawer I think is well worth the effort in making it. But yeah, I like that I painted it black to sort of blend in and make it less conspicuous. Hopefully I never need to use it though, right?